Alright, so now the easy part. We're going to multiply and divide integers. Alright. Well, when you do this, things are a lot easier because if we take numbers like 5, if we take numbers like 5 times 7, that's 35. 35. And it's positive because I have, well, the rule here says if I have an even number of negative signs, the answer is positive. And I have 0, and 0 is considered to be an even number. But if I have 5 times negative 7, that would be negative 35. Or if I had negative 5 times positive 7, that would also be negative 35. Because if I have an odd number of negative signs, the answer is negative. Negative. If I have 2 negative signs and I'm multiplying or dividing, my answer is positive 35. Yeah, and the same thing works for division. If I have 24 and I'm dividing that by negative 8, this will be a negative 3. Like if it's a fraction like that. Or it could be written like this. Divided by negative 8. That would be negative 3. If they were both negative, this is a classic thing that happens all the time in algebra. You have the double negative there. Resist the urge to go like this and this sort of nonsense. Don't write over top of your problem. That just clutters everything up. This is 2 negative signs, and that makes a, almost did it there, a positive answer. And you don't have to put a plus here. It's just a positive 2. That's really it. If we had something crazy like negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1, that would be 4. So that would be an even number, and even numbers are positive. So this would be a positive 1. But if I had negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1, that looks like a 7, times negative 1 times negative 1, that would be 5 of them, and that would turn it negative. So that's really it. You just multiply and divide normally. You count the number of negative signs, figure out if it's positive or negative, and that's really all it boils down to. I will see you later.